Welcome to TradeRep. This is Shorthammer. It is the 21st of July 2019, and this is TradeRep's Week in Review. Now we'll start off with Chart Tech and a Roku call. He got in on Roku, 107 call, July 19th expiration for 93 cents, exited at 320. Next up we have Dave Trader with his TEDU. He was calling everyone's attention to him when it was around 118, and he was saying 91 is all-time lows. Now, if you follow that alert from Dave Trader, got in around 118, the next day, TEDU is at $2.25. Nice little gainer there. Next up, we have Elisa with CAPR. Now, she was calling CAPR right around that 508, 523 area, letting everyone know to keep an eye on this, slide in this if you like the setup. And if you got in around 508, 523 in that range, that CAPR went to $8.80, I believe. That's a great gain. So definitely a nice little bounce there. I think about 60%. Next up we have CLDC. Elisa again. And CLDC key support was right around 99 cents to $1.03. And it popped to about $1.35, I think. Nice little gain there also. Next up we have Kelly P with her SPX. She got a few contracts, 75 cents, 85 cents, exited at 220. So she was in this for about 12 minutes. Nice little gainer there. Next up we have Quantum with his entry on GOLD, 1650 calls. Got in for 7 cents, July 19th expiration. And he exited for 14 cents. So 50% off at 14 cents. And then the rest off at 17 cents. More than 100%. Nice gainer there. Next up, we have Quantum again with his entry on Qualcomm calls, 77 strike, 40 cents, expiration July 19th, and he exited those at 60 cents, scaled out 50%. So just some great gainers there. If you like the alerts that you've seen and you want to check us out, we offer a 7-day free trial where you can come in, check out our culture, how we communicate, how we do our alerts, how we break down charts and technicals and share setups. Click on the link in the description pane and just come through and sign up, and we look forward to trading with you.